All right, welcome to SC Custom Designs. We're outside. We did a real rough sort of drawing of what my drawers are going to look like in this bandsaw box or bandsaw boxes. Okay, so now that I have that rough idea, watch the series. If you're watching this video independently, watch the whole series, and you'll see how these all progress together. Okay, so I got this guy here out. He rolls. We're going to use him so we can draw the tops and the bottoms if it's appropriate, because you'll know this one here is going to be an odd shape. Just to try to line them up with each other. Okay, so that's sort of what I'm doing here. And we have other, that we'll use to do what we got to do. All right, apologize, I really am not going to be able to get a good angle here. And my own stand is in the way, so there you go. Do the best I can, that's all I can do. All right, thank you.
Did you say something to the guy about his muffler? Because he's driving me insane.